Guys, it is my final day, so I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy because it's been a rough couple months. It's been a rough year work-wise, and I am so happy that the fruits of my labor, as my dad always says, is reaping reward. And I'm going into a field that I really like. I've worked in that field before. It has just returned full circle where I'm doing something that I could potentially love. I'm not gonna say like because I'm not gonna say like yet because I want to be in it for longer, like a while before I make my final decision, but I know that I am 10 steps closer to ensuring that I am in a field that I love. So I'm pretty happy for that. I'm gonna take you on what happened for my final day. I am looking forward to it. Unfortunately, my boss won't be here because she has a board retreat and everything. I'm going to enjoy my day. I'm going to enjoy my last day and turn up tonight. Yeah, I'm going to turn up. And I'm looking forward to Monday morning when I start my new position. You don't even understand. You don't even understand how happy I am. I am excited. I am anxious to start, but I am grateful and I am thankful. I'm thankful for the work I've done. I'm thankful for the opportunity I was given, and I look forward to what this has in store. So catch you guys soon. I am on my way to work.
Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing.
For my life insurance, so I actually did it already. So I have to just pick up something. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then go back to office.
It just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate.
here for the last time. I packed up my box and everything, but I'm gonna leave the monitors because they're supposed to carry it for me, as well as the box. I'm about to leave. I feel very excited, as I've been saying from day, and can't believe this is happening. Oh my gosh. So this is the last time I'll be here, and don't know how to feel, but like I said, I'm really happy for this opportunity. I'm not leaving organizations, but I am leaving the post for greater things, and I look forward to it. And it starts Monday, so stay tuned for the rest of this video. I'm not finished yet, and then we're going to go into the evening, and then I'm gonna do another video on my first day in my new job. So like, I'm not even crying. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.